Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna compare Wurkkos WK03 and also Convoy S2 SST40. The reason I'm making this video is to give you a guide for you to buy the right flashlight. Both of these flashlight is using one piece of 18650 lithium ion battery and also using one piece of SST40 LED. Both of these flashlight maximum brightness is 1800 lumens and also the same color tint 6500 Kelvin. Start with Convoy S2 Plus. It has only 4 modes: low, medium, high, and turbo. As you can see, the beam more focus because it has a smooth reflector. Smooth reflector causing the beam more focus. Low, medium, high, turbo. For Wurkkos WK03, it has 3 modes: low, medium, and high. Double click for turbo. This is a turbo mode. As you can see, the beam is less focused compared to S2 Plus. When in off mode, we click, long click, we will enter to moonlight mode, and then we long click, we will change low, medium, high. Double click for turbo, triple click for strobe. Meanwhile, Convoy S2 Plus don't have strobe mode. Besides that, it has a C-type charger here, built-in C-type charger. The only difference the Wurkkos WK03 and also Convoy S2 Plus is the reflector. Wurkkos is using TIR lens, total internal reflection lens, as you can see. Meanwhile, Convoy S2 Plus is using smooth reflector. I will compare the beam. On my left hand side is Wurkkos WK03. On my right hand side is Convoy S2 Plus. As you can see, smooth reflector will more focus compared to TIR lens. For the length, Wurkkos slightly shorter compared to Convoy. For this comparison, both of flashlight I am using LG 18650 lithium ion battery. For those who are interested to buy this flashlight, you can click the link in my video description below. After this, I will compare both flashlight outdoor. For the first test, I will be testing Convoy S2 Plus SST40 at the maximum brightness, at the turbo brightness. As you can see, distance around 200 meters. You can still see it very clear. Second test is Wurkkos WK03 at the maximum brightness, turbo brightness. As you can see, the beam is quite floody compared to S2 Plus reflector. Distance around 200 meters. Third test is I will compare both of the flashlight at the maximum brightness. As you can see, on my left hand side is Wurkkos, and then on my right hand side is Convoy S2 Plus. Can you see the difference? On my right hand side is a bit focus compared to my left hand side. Distance about the same, 200 meters. And both of these flashlight is getting hot. Can you see the difference? At 200 meters. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.